Qi2 25W wireless charging, the future is here. Up to 25W speed on major devices. The introduction of Qi2 25W marks a significant advancement in wireless charging technology, and it's generating quite a buzz in the tech community. This new standard, officially announced by the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, is designed to deliver wireless charging capabilities of up to 25 watts. But here's where it gets controversial. What does this really mean for consumers and the devices they use? The WPC has made a bold claim that numerous major Android smartphones will soon be part of the Qi2 ecosystem, joining the ranks of Apple's iPhones. This is an exciting development, especially since 14 devices, including both receivers and transmitters, have already passed the Qi2 25W certification tests just last week. Moreover, the certification process is now open for several hundred additional devices that are eagerly waiting to be evaluated. While it's likely that many of these devices will be accessories such as chargers and power banks, the prospect of seeing Android smartphones adopting this new standard is particularly intriguing. A key question remains: will these smartphones continue to embrace a magnet-free design, or will they finally incorporate built-in magnets similar to those found in iPhones? This decision could significantly impact user experience and compatibility. In comparison to the previous 15W standard, Qi2 25W offers nearly a 70% increase in power output. This enhancement is not just a technical upgrade, it reflects a growing consumer demand for faster wireless charging solutions. According to market research conducted by the WPC, the desire for quicker wireless charging is the top feature that consumers want to see improved in their devices. As we look ahead, it will be fascinating to observe how this new standard influences the market and whether it meets the expectations of users. What are your thoughts on the Qi2 25W? Do you believe it will revolutionize the way we charge our devices, or do you think it's just another marketing gimmick? Share your opinions in the comments below. Next-gen wireless charging, Qi2 25W unveiled. Imagine a world where your phone charges in a flash, literally. The Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, is making this a reality with the introduction of Qi2 25W, a groundbreaking advancement in wireless charging technology. Washington, Business Wire, in a significant leap forward, the WPC is unveiling a new, speedier iteration of its renowned Qi standard, dubbed Qi2 25W. This innovation promises to revolutionize how we power our devices. For the first time ever, alongside Apple iPhones, major Android smartphones are set to join the Qi2 ecosystem. Last week, a select group of 14 devices, including receivers and transmitters, successfully completed Qi2 25W certification testing. Now, the doors are open for hundreds more devices awaiting their turn for certification. The excitement around the next phase of Qi's evolution is palpable, exclaimed Fadi Mishriki, the chair of the WPC's board of directors. Users are in for a treat with Qi2 25W, which boosts power delivery by nearly 70% compared to the original Qi2. The sheer number and quality of devices lined up for Qi2 25W certification are unprecedented. But here's where it gets controversial. According to WPC's market research, faster wireless charging is the top feature consumers crave. When Qi2 debuted in November 2023 with 15 watts of power, it was a giant stride towards meeting this demand. Before Qi2, smartphone makers often developed their own fast charging solutions, leading to compatibility issues and inconsistent charging times. Qi2 25W, however, stands out as the first standard to offer truly high-speed, Qi-certified wireless charging. Paul Strusaker, executive director of the WPC, added, "With Qi2, we not only enhanced charging speed and efficiency but also laid the groundwork for even more rapid and efficient wireless charging." Qi2 25W is set to drive widespread adoption of wireless charging and expedite the shift to this new standard. Introduced almost 2 years ago, Qi2 aimed to certify a broad spectrum of smartphones, enhancing speed, user experience, and convenience. The magnetic attachment feature and the extensive ecosystem of compatible accessories have won over customers. In just a year, over 1.5 billion Qi2 certified devices, transmitters, and receivers flooded the global market. about the Wireless Power Consortium. The WPC is the leading global standards organization for wireless power applications, with over 300 member companies. Since its inception in 2008, the WPC has championed a vision of wireless power that is convenient, safe, and efficient. Their standardized testing ensures products are certified and interoperable. The Qi standard, now encompassing Qi2 and Qi2 25W, is the global benchmark for wireless charging of mobile devices. The WPC continues to innovate, developing new standards like the Qi cordless kitchen standard for kitchen appliances. So, what do you think? Is Qi2 25W the game changer we've been waiting for, or are there still unresolved concerns? Share your thoughts in the comments. Qi2 wireless charging upgrade, 25W speeds and Androids move toward MagSafe. Get ready for some exciting news in the world of wireless charging. The Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, has just unveiled a significant upgrade that many enthusiasts have been eagerly anticipating, the Qi2 25W. This new development marks a substantial increase in wireless charging speeds and may indicate that Android devices are finally beginning to close the gap with Apple's MagSafe technology. But is that really the case? Let's dive deeper. What makes Qi 2.2 so important? For starters, this advancement signifies that Android is making strides to catch up with the iPhone. To understand the significance of Qi 2, we need to look back at its introduction in late 2023. This new standard was designed to create a more cohesive and magnetically aligned wireless charging experience. It was a landmark moment where Apple and various Android manufacturers reached a consensus on wireless charging technology. Well, sort of. Apple's MagSafe was adapted to fit the Qi 2 framework, allowing for precise alignment through magnets and enabling charging speeds of up to 15W. However, many Android brands have been slow to adopt this magnetic feature, even though the Qi 2 specifications seem to encourage it. In April, the WPC introduced Qi 2.2, which includes several enhancements that lead to noticeable improvements in performance. While it continues to utilize the magnetic power profile, MPP, and extended power profile, EPP, established with Qi 2, it now offers an efficiency boost of up to 15%. This means that users can expect quicker charging times, reduced heat generation, and improved battery longevity over time. Exciting news, 25 watts of power. One of the standout features of this update is the introduction of the Qi2 2.2.1 version, which raises the standard charging limit from 15W to an impressive 25W. This enhancement comes in direct response to user feedback, as faster wireless charging has consistently been the top request among consumers, according to WPC research. The WPC has made it clear that this new capability aims to address the fragmented fast-charging landscape, which is currently dominated by proprietary systems from brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi. What's even more intriguing is that the WPC has confirmed that several major Android smartphones will support the Qi2 25W upgrade, something that was not guaranteed when Qi 2 first launched. Notably, Google is involved in this initiative, having contributed to the development of these faster charging speeds. All eyes are now on the upcoming Pixel 10, which is set to be unveiled on August 20th. The future of Android charging. There's a growing belief that Google might be the first Android manufacturer to fully embrace this enhanced Qi 2 specification. Rumors are circulating about a new Pixel Snap magnetic accessory system, which would pair perfectly with Qi2 25W. However, there's still uncertainty about whether Google or any other Android phone maker plans to integrate magnets directly into their devices, an essential aspect of the Qi 2 standard. This ambiguity regarding magnetic integration has been a significant concern since the launch of Qi 2. While Android phones theoretically support Qi 2, the absence of built-in magnets means users miss out on optimal alignment and accessory compatibility, which are key benefits of a MagSafe-like ecosystem. Currently, the HMD Skyline is the only Android phone equipped with integrated magnets, but it's not exactly a popular choice among consumers. The WPC has announced that certification testing for Qi2 25W is now underway, with hundreds of devices in the pipeline. However, there remains a lack of clarity regarding which Android devices will come with magnetic alignment support right out of the box. This uncertainty poses challenges for accessory manufacturers, power users, and anyone frustrated with misaligned coils during charging. Although the WPC officially introduced Qi 2.2 back in April 2025, and there have been rumors of Apple testing a next-gen MagSafe charger compatible with Qi 2.2, no actual hardware has yet made it to retail shelves. That is about to change, as the WPC reports that 14 devices have already received the new certification, signaling that the floodgates are opening. Yet, until Android manufacturers fully commit to integrating magnets, the complete potential of Qi 2 may remain just beyond reach. ## Join the conversation. What do you think about these developments in wireless charging? Are you excited to see Android devices finally catching up with Apple, or do you think there are still significant hurdles to overcome? Share your thoughts in the comments below.